I'm Tiger Height, and not only am I here to make NXT majestic again, but I'm here to make pro wrestling majestic again. This was a really bizarre show, but let's get into it with our first match for the NXT Women's Tag Team Champions when Katana Chance and Kayden Carter defended against Nikkita Lyons and Zoey Stark. Why? Why did they do this weird false finish thing? So they were having a decently compelling match at first. Then there was a tag that the referee did not see from the champions roll up, and Lyons and Stark win the titles. If they stopped it there with this screwy finish, I might be okay with it, because then at least you have something to follow up on. But no, the referee restarts the match because another referee came out to do that. Can we have consistency of what the referees are doing? Either the referee's decision is final, like we've seen in cases literally like this in the past in WWE over the last 3 weeks, or we don't. Because this back and forth thing is just not working for me. It is disjointing, it is frustrating, and then you screw the challengers. Like, what the hell? Might as well screw the champions, have them have a piss and a moan, and then have a rematch at what is the pay-per-view called? Deadline. Yeah, that's a Deadline. It's obvious what you should do. But they didn't do that. They restarted the match. Then it was the 450 splash and the neck breaker for the champions to retain after being screwed by another referee who came out. Where's the flow? There was no flow whatsoever. And I hate saying this because these women worked hard and there was good stuff in there. But this has to get a thumbs down from me. That disjointedness really took me out of my space here, and I just didn't like that.